Three major developments are shaking up the AI world today. Google just rolled out its most powerful AI yet. Apple is quietly building something that could challenge Google's search empire. And in a dramatic twist, Anthropic has cut off OpenAI's access to Claude just weeks before GPT-5's launch. First up, Google has launched Gemini 2.5 DeepThink, now available to AI Ultra subscribers for $200 per month. This isn't just another chatbot update. It's a fundamentally different approach to AI reasoning. DeepThink uses parallel thinking techniques to deliver more detailed, creative, and thoughtful responses. Think of it as an AI that doesn't just answer quickly, but actually takes time to consider multiple solutions before responding. A variation of Gemini 2.5, DeepThink to score a gold medal at this year's International Math Olympiad, solving complex mathematical problems that would challenge university students. The consumer version is faster and designed for everyday use, but still maintains bronze-level performance on these challenging benchmarks. What makes this particularly impressive is how it handles coding and creative tasks, showing significant improvements in web development and problem-solving scenarios. But perhaps the most dramatic development comes from behind the scenes. Anthropic has revoked OpenAI's access to its Claude AI models after discovering that OpenAI engineers were using Claude code to help develop GPT-5. According to multiple sources, OpenAI wasn't just casually using Claude. They had integrated it directly into their internal development tools, systematically testing Claude's coding capabilities, creative writing, and even safety responses ahead of GPT-5's expected launch next week. Anthropic spokesperson Christopher Nolte confirmed the move, stating that OpenAI's technical staff were using Claude's coding tools ahead of the launch of GPT-5, calling it a direct violation of our terms of service. OpenAI has defended the practice as industry standard for benchmarking and safety evaluations, but Anthropic's commercial terms explicitly prohibit using Claude to build competing AI services. Meanwhile, Apple is making a strategic shift that could disrupt the entire search industry. The company has quietly formed a new team working on a ChatGPT-like system that can search the internet and answer questions, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. This internal group, called Answers, Knowledge, and Information, is developing what Apple calls an answer engine, essentially their own version of ChatGPT or Perplexity AI. The timing isn't coincidental. For the first time in Apple's history, searches conducted through Safari declined in April 2025, suggesting users are increasingly turning to AI-powered alternatives rather than traditional search engines. This could fundamentally alter Apple's $15 billion annual deal with Google, where Google pays to remain Safari's default search engine. What we're witnessing is a pivotal moment in AI development that extends far beyond technical capabilities. Google is pushing the boundaries of AI reasoning with DeepThink. Apple is positioning itself to break free from Google's search dominance. And the OpenAI Anthropic dispute reveals how competitive tensions are escalating in the industry. For consumers, this competition means more sophisticated AI tools arriving throughout 2025 and 2026, but also a more fragmented landscape where access to the best AI capabilities may depend on corporate allegiances rather than just technical merit. The race for AI supremacy is no longer just about who builds the best model. It's about who controls access to the tools that shape the future of artificial intelligence.